Ikaw, ano sabi mo?
Um, Nahihirap din magsabi ng mga excuse but siguro we had this conference, we had a few games na wala kaming import, which is very very hard for us dahil we rely so much kay Venky in terms of yung presence niya sa loob, yung energy, yung rebounding niya, the defense. Yun yung na-miss namin for how many games? Three or four. There's one game na hindi siya nakalaro. So I guess that's one reason. Yeah, I think we should also be better in terms of yung team chemistry. Medyo alam naman natin may mga nadagdag sa aming mga players, which is great addition for us, but it takes time din kasi diba? to really gel sa loob ng court. But what happened ngayon, yung addition, it was great naman, okay naman yung yung pagpasok nila. Medyo na short lang talaga, so hopefully mag-improve kami next conference.
Outlook mo naman kasi definitely kasi big import na yon. So anong palagay mong chances ninyo sa darating na conference?
I don't know kasi pag may import parang ang hirap sabihin, but hopefully makakuha kami ng import na I mean for sure makakatulong sa amin yung ganun kalaki kasi parang every game talo kami sa rebounds So yun yung namin, yun yung isang weakness din talaga ng team namin. We have flexible wings, mga malalaking wings, pero yung bigs namin 6'5", 6'4". So medyo doon isang department na nahirapan kami. So sana yung makukuha namin import.
Si Octana nadala sa ospital daw
Oo nga yeah. Dati naman natamaan, pero hindi naman sadya. We're good friends ni Calvin. Alam naman niya. Walang I was unfortunate. I was saying sorry actually to him and to the team, to the coaches. Sabi ko, ay mag-playoffs pa naman. But I'm sure makakalaro naman sa amin. So, yeah.
Tropa naman tropa.